Good morning. I'm going to show you tools that every household must have. First, this is the hand saw. In woodworking and carpentry, the hand saws, also known as panel saws, are used to cut pieces of wood into different shapes. This is usually done in order to join the pieces together and carve a wooden object. Next, this is the hammer. A hammer is a tool that consisting of a weighted head fixed to a long handle that is swung to deliver an object to a small area of an object. This can be, for example, to drive nails into wood, to shape metal, or to crush rock. Hammers are used for the wide range of driving, shaping, and breaking applications. Next is the long nose plier, are both cutting and holding pliers, used by artisans, jewelry designers, electricians, network engineers, and other tradesmen to bend, reposition, and snip wire. Their namesake long nose gives excellent control grip, while the cutting edge of near the pliers joint provides one-tool convenience. Next is the cutter plier. Are pliers intended for the cutting wire. The plane defined by the cutting edges of the jaws inserts the joint rivet at the angle of a diagonal, hence the name. Next is the Phillips screwdrivers with S. Are screwdrivers that is designed to be used with a type of screw called a pellet head screw that has a slot at its top that looks like a cross. Next is the flat screwdriver. A slotted flat blade screwdriver is a long standard hand tool dating back to the 15,000s. It has a flat-bladed tip used to turn, fasten, or loosen screws and bolts. The flat blade screwdriver is an extremely versatile tool and used for fasteners in all sizes, providing significant leverage. Next is the wrench. Is a tool used to provide grip and mechanical advantage in applying torque turn objects, usually rotating fasteners such as nuts and bolts, or to keep them from turning. Next is the Punchdown Tool, a small hand tool used by telecommunications and network technicians. It is used for inserting wire into isolation displacement connectors or punch-down blocks, patch panels, keystone modules, and surface mount blocks. Next is the crown tool puncher. It's used to literally punch isolated cable into the right slot on a IDC or keystone. Next is the crimping tool, since I cannot open it. It's a device used to conjoin two pieces of metal by deforming one or both of them to hold each other. The result of the tool's work is called a crimp. An example of crimping is affixing a connector to the end of a cable. And lastly, this is scissors, are hand-operated shearing tools. A pair of scissors consists of a pair of metal blades provided so that the sharpened edges slide against each other when the handles opposite to the pivot are closed. This is assorted tools that combine each other one by one. Hope you learned something about my presentations of hand tools. Thank you.